Listen, everyone has a unique voice. Everyone is designed to do something specific. The question is, are you willing to tap into it? We have all been given something that is uniquely us. We are all uniquely and wonderfully made. Our experiences are our experiences. You may have someone that's lived a similar life, but no one has lived your specific life, meaning everything that you've gone through, everything that you've experienced, everything that you've seen, tasted, touched, heard, felt, like nobody has experienced all of that in the same way that you did or that you have. Therefore, you specifically have a unique voice. You have a unique story. You have something that is relatable to someone else because your unique thing told in a way or shared in a way that only you can share it will connect with people in a way that no one else can. Now, is everyone wired to connect with billions of people? No. Just like everyone is not supposed to make billions of dollars. Is everyone supposed to get married and have 10 kids? No. That doesn't mean that everyone is also supposed to stay single. Like the thing is, everyone has a unique purpose, everyone has a unique journey. We just have to have the courage and the confidence to lean into that and to walk it out at a very high level. And again, high level is not relative to anyone else. High level is relative to your capacity. What have you been gifted? What have you been blessed with? What are the tools that have been placed in your tool belt that you are supposed to go and use? You doing that at a very high level is you optimizing the tools that you've been blessed with. So that is your experiences. That is your gifts, your talents, your skills, your relationships. Just if you've been exposed to it, you've been exposed to it for a reason. The question is, what are you going to do with that exposure? Are you going to take it and use it to teach other people, to help other people, to build something that might outlast you? Or is it just simply for you to hoard and to hold on to and to internalize and keep for yourself? If that's the case, then you're probably misusing the thing that you've been blessed with. But one of the things that you've been blessed with is a voice. Your unique voice, yes, artificial intelligence can copy something, but artificial intelligence or AI cannot live out your experience. They can talk about it from, taking the data that you've put out there and transcribing it into a story, but it cannot live that story for you. Therefore, the texture that you communicate with is always going to be unique. Don't get scared into this notion of, oh, I can't create anything because AI is going to create this. No, all AI does is it takes things that have been created and it puts them together and it disperses it out there as if it created it. But it doesn't mention the fact that it had to pull from what was already created. Things are created through your lived experience. Don't miss that. Therefore, you have the power to still tell your story, to build relationships, to have texture, right? People are going to yearn for that texture of connection. And speaking of connection, there was an episode of Diary of a CEO in which one of the guests dove into that. And I want to play this clip really quickly, and then we'll dive into it in a second.
Relatable beats impressive. Yeah. And a lot of people think that they have to cure.
Hold on. He said relatable beats impressive. I'm going to play that part one more time so you can really kind of get a gist of it. That is so powerful. Relatable beats impressive. Here's the first part of this clip. Well, it's not playing right now. But anyway, the whole point is relatable beats impressive. With this clip, what the guy was sharing was, why did his episode have more impact than more famous people? And one of the things that was shared with him was relatable beats impressive. Yes, you can be impressive, but more people are drawn to things that they can connect to. That's the texture that I mentioned earlier. That is, your personal experience. That is the way that you are uniquely designed to present something. That's the relatable piece. That's the texture that you bring. That's the thing that cannot be replaced. Something can copy it, but remember that copy is just a copy. You are the original. Does the original piece of artwork or the copy of the artwork have more value in the marketplace? The original, baby. Go be original. Don't miss the fact that your experiences are valuable. You are uniquely and wonderfully made. Put that thing out there. You're supposed to do so for a reason. Your life is not simply for you, it's for others that are coming behind you. I heard a quote from, it's a guy, PLO, or Patrick Lumumba. He's out of Kenya, thought leader on the continent of Africa. He says, true success is when my successor succeeds. Okay? Be relatable. Use what you have to connect with other people, but don't do it simply through the lens of your growth and development, because you're going to grow, right? Do it to help those coming behind you, because when they succeed, oh my gosh, that's when you really succeed, because you've done what you're supposed to do by laying the groundwork. Use what you have. Use that unique voice. You have it for a reason. Y'all be blessed, well, and wise. And until next time, I holla at you. Peace.